Welcome back to Ever News TV and I'm Megha Verma. Let's have a look on a special story.
La Global Foundation takes pride to inform you that the Global UN SDG Award Season 2 was scheduled on May 14th to 15th, 2022. The event was held at Hakeem Abdul Hamid Auditorium, Jamia Hamdard Nagar, New Delhi. History. La Global Foundation founded in 2020 with a view to helping to transform 1 million lives every year through holistic development across health, education, water and sanitization, economic development by creating a scalable, replicable and community-centric model of sustainable development. In 2018, the United Nations Sustainable Goals were adopted by 193 member states of the United Nations in a bid to end poverty, protect the planet and ensure prosperity for all by 2030. It is remarkable though that Indian government has taken up to the task seriously and has started working alongside private sector to end poverty at the earliest. Theme. The theme for this year's event was CSR activity on the Sustainability Awareness Program. This affair was an ecosystem walk event comprising of professional panel discussing and conferencing, summing it up with the UN SDG Global Awards. Basically, the motto was to walk towards implementing and supporting 17 global sustainable goals. We aim at spreading harmony with nature. We are grateful to have partnered with worldwide and national non-governmental organizations that share our mission. The event began with the lamp lighting followed by Ganesh Vandana in the form of cultural performance by Shreya Menon and reading of Quran as we, the people of India, believe in diversity and equality of all religions. The chief guest for the event was Professor Haseem Ali Khan, who gave insights about the goal of SDG and informed the government of India has given 365 crore rupees for the completion of SDG goals and millions of people have been involved in it. He is also the Director General of Ministry of Ayush. Then the Vice Chancellor Dr. Ashraf Aslam carried the event forward with a speech in which he explained about his books written by him for Mother Nature. Guest of honor of the event was Ola Johnson, Dr. Mini Bodhawala, CEO of Wadia Hospital. A presentation was given by Dr. Meenakshi Sahani herself, where she explained all the 17 sustainable development goals and made everyone pledge to follow it. She said, #We the people together can change the world. In the second batch, Nixon Joseph, Dr. Lopamudra Priyadarshini, Dr. Rajan Sudesh Ratna and Narendra Bhati was the guest of honor for the event. Dr. Raju was the spokesperson. The second batch of the event ended with Kathak performance by Ashwini Nigam. In the third batch of the event, Fatim Rajdi talked about influence of environment. Sagir T. Iris, a PhD scholar, talked about degradation of toxic contaminants, dye, heavy metals from water bodies using bimetallic nanopractices for sustainable environment protection. Kriski Priscilla Moyanja coordinated a panel conference Uganda on topic decent work and economic growth. In the bell time, a 15 minutes musical performance was held by the music sponsor, urban Punjabi singer Afrani Ik, with crews which boosted energy in the audience. The awards recognition began from 2:15 p.m. It was done by Mili Bhattacharya, Shweta McKnight, Dr. Pramod Kumar, Geetha Nagraj, Madhubala Sharma and Bharati Saikia. Some other participants for the events are Jamila from Somalia, East Africa, Hamila Abdullahi from Kenya, Bele Zeleke Sibuhu from Ethiopian PhD scholar, Abdul Latif Muhammad Noor from Panel Conference Nigeria, and Simpara Karamoko. In the fourth batch, panel conference was conducted by Ibrahim on the topic Digital Value Chain and Organizational Productivity in Automobiles Company. Then a PhD scholar, Khadija Mika Daud, talked about immobilization of toxic cadmium ions from aqueous solution using very low-cost absorbent. Tamaino Banda talked about climate action. Niksumi Musa talked about the global maniac of hazardous waste, its challenges and management, and then the vote of thanks was delivered by Dr. Chetna Agarwal. The benefits of this conference are we got to know deeply about objective and need to fulfill it. The three main objectives are economic growth, environmental protection, and social inclusion. The event is going to award dignitaries working towards it. It will disseminate the way and the importance of sustainable development to secure our future. La Global Foundation invites donation applicable to support as sponsors. The various categories for financial support are main event partners, co-partners, platinum sponsors, global sponsors, and given sponsors. Respected members of UNGC are Global Advisor Dr. Meenakshi Sahani, Ansh Sahani, Vansh Sahani, Treasurer Sudesh Chadha, Legal Attorney Ola Jasin Vipin Rana. Honored Ambassador Dr. Chetna Agrawal was awarded with a crown for sponsorship with Glitters Academy. In the end, she also explained the audience about CPR, which was very fruitful. Katrina Malmort, Ambassador, Geeta Nagraj, Global Humanitarian Ambassador, was also awarded with a crown. Nixon Joseph, former CEO, SBI Foundation, Professor Zia Hussam, Strategic Ambassador, Melody Garcia, World Advisor, Mark King, Global Advisor, Shikha Chakraborty, Fitness Ambassador, Larissa Navarro, World Ambassador, Sabah Fatima, Financial Advisor, and Andrew Williams Jr. Message from Founder President Dr. Meenakshi Sahani. The pain itself is important, but the pain is enhanced by the adipocing process. But I give it time to cut it down, so that I do some great work and pain. For the purpose of coming to a minimum, who of us should exercise any employment except to take advantage of the consequence from it? But the pain in the film is allured to condemn, and the pleasure it wants to escape from the pain of being calm in pain. None results. Your presence and deliberation make the event remarkably triumphant. Godspeed. Live life powerfully. Vote of thanks was done by Dr. Meenakshi Sahani, Vansh Sahani, Ansh Sahani, and Sudesh Chadha. They thanked everyone participating in the event and promised to do more of it.
मैं डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी साहनी, फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट LA ग्लोबल फाउंडेशन, एक चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट है जो 12A ATG से भी सम्मानित है. वी आर ऑफिशियल मेंबर ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशन ग्लोबल कम्पैक्ट एंड हम दर्पण NGO रजिस्टर्ड भी हैं. आज टुडे हम लोगों ने आज के दिन हमने ग्लोबल यूनाइटेड नेशन 17 SDGs सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स अवार्ड्स का घोषित किया 2022 सीज़न 2, जिसमें हमारे देश विदेश से 160 कंट्री से हमें डेलीगेशंस यहाँ पर आए, रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स आए, जिन्होंने नींव रखी SDG के ऊपर. क्लाइमेटिक एक्शन हमने 17 गोल्स पे आज जो निर्धारित किया है यहाँ पर, जिसमें हमारे जो सहयोगी रहे हैं वो वाइस चांसलर, ऑनर्ड एम्बेसडर ऑफ LA ग्लोबल फाउंडेशन प्रोफेसर अफसर आलम सर, वाइस चांसलर जामिया हमदर्द यूनिवर्सिटी जो हमारे एकेडमिक पार्टनर हैं. हमारे जो चीफ गेस्ट हैं मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, प्रोफेसर आसम अली खान, जिन्होंने आज यहाँ पर आके अपना जो कीमती समय हमें दिया और जो ज्ञान आज हम सबको मिला है उनसे कि हम कैसे एक साथ एकत्रित होकर पार्टनरशिप फॉर द गोल्स पे काम कर सकते हैं, क्लाइमेटिक एक्शंस पे काम कर सकते हैं, गुड हेल्थ पे हम सस्टेनेबिलिटी पे कैसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं पूरे वर्ल्ड के साथ, और हमें ग्राउंड लेवल से किस तरीके से काम करना चाहिए. और हमें हर बारीकी पे मतलब उनका यही उद्देश्य था कि हमें हर बारीकी पे SDG पे अगर हम कनेक्ट कर लें, सारे इंटर रिलेशन बना लें 17 गोल्स को, तो हमारा देश आज डेवलप नहीं डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज़ में घोषित हो जाएगा. और ये सारा जो जिसे कहते हैं हमारे जो UNESCAP हमारे नॉलेज पार्टनर रहे, उनका सहयोग रहा. एकेडमिक पार्टनर में जामिया हमदर्द यूनिवर्सिटी जो हमारे सहयोग में रहा, जहाँ पे ये वेन्यू भी घोषित जो करा गया है वो उन्हीं के सहयोग से हुआ है. और 160 कंट्रीज़ जो मैं कहूँगी मैं बहुत ब्लेस फील कर रही हूँ. एक बहुत बड़ा आशीर्वाद है कि हम युगांडा, इजिप्शियन, USA, कैलिफोर्निया, हमने यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़, एशियन कंट्रीज़ और साउथ अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज़, आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द कंट्रीज़ वर देयर टू प्रेजेंट देयर रिसर्च स्कॉलर वर्क ऑन स्पेशली ऑन द SDGs, दैट इज़ सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स. हमारा मिशन, हमारे एम, विजन, मिशन यही है इस संस्था का कि हम इन 17 गोल्स को पूरे देश में लेके जाएं और लीविंग नो वन बिहाइंड, यूनाइटिंग द स्ट्रेंथ, आज कुरान पढ़ा किया, यूनाइटिंग द स्ट्रेंथ। जब हम पीस की, ह्यूमैनिटी की बात करते हैं तो हमारी शुरुआत ही कुरान से हुई। फिर हमने लैंप लाइट करके गणेश वंदना भी की, गणेश वंदना के बाद गुरबानी भी की गई। तो हमने सारे रिलीजन्स, हमने सबको रिस्पेक्ट देते हुए यूनाइटिंग द स्ट्रेंथ, सर्विंग वी द पीपल पॉलिसी ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशन हम लोग लेकर आए। और आई थिंक ये मिशन बहुत ही कीमती मिशन है हमारे देश के लिए। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री भी काफ़ी इस मिशन के लिए कनेक्टेड हैं और वो चाहते हैं कि हमारा देश सस्टेनेबल बने। सोशल इनिशिएटिव्स पे काम आ रहा है, गवर्नमेंट की काफ़ी स्कीम्स लॉन्च की जा रही हैं। ODOP हो, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष ने भी आज असम में, और उन्होंने साउथ अफ्रीका के साथ पार्टनरशिप किया है। तो देखिए कैसे ऑर्गेनिक हेल्थ भी कैसे सामने आ रही है, किस तरीके से काम चल रहा है। और आज मैं बहुत ही अपने आप को भाग्यशाली समझ रही हूँ कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म जो हमने अपने सीज़न 2 में क्रिएट किया है, हमने एक हिस्ट्री क्रिएट की है। एंड और ये सब पॉसिबल हो पाया है आई थिंक सारे सहयोगियों से। तो हमारे 160 एम्बेसडर्स हैं पूरे देश में, और जिनके सहयोग के बिना ये नहीं पॉसिबल हो पाता। शारदा यूनिवर्सिटी में से वॉलंटियर्स थे, यहाँ पर काफ़ी सहयोग दिया गया, काफ़ी वॉलंटियर्स के अंदर जोश था इसको सक्सेसफुल बनाने का। आई थिंक ओवरऑल यहाँ पे जो मैंने देखा है कि SDGs के ऊपर हम बहुत आगे तक काम करेंगे और सक्सेसफुल होके दिखाएंगे। और ये वर्ल्ड वाइड मिशन है, 2030 इज़ आवर गोल। और हम इसको निर्धारित करके, ये चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट ने जो बीड़ा उठाया है, हम इसे अकम्प्लिश करेंगे, इसे पूरा करके दिखाएंगे। और अपने प्रधानमंत्री को इसके ऊपर हमें सहयोग की ज़रूरत है उनसे, और काफ़ी मिनिस्ट्री की भी सहयोग की ज़रूरत है। अगर ये मिलती है, एक चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट है, क्योंकि आप समझते हैं डोनेशंस चैरिटी से ही चलता है। सो वो बहुत ज़रूरी है हमारे लिए। लेकिन ये मिशन इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है, ये पॉसिबल है अगर आप सब हमसे जुड़ते हैं, इस चैरिटेबल से वॉलंटियर्स बनते हैं, एम्बेसडर्स बनते हैं, आपका एडवाइजरी बनते हैं। तो यू आर वेलकम। प्लीज़ डोनेट अस, सपोर्ट अस एंड बी पार्टनर्स विद अस फॉर ऑल 17 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स। थैंक यू सो मच।
I'm Nakate Susan from Sharada University. I've represented the Global Foundation, and it was really very happy, very fun. We had a lot of fun. It was like we learned a lot because since the 17 SDGs, so we got time to know more about them. And I talked about gender equality, so the solutions, like how it does, like fighting for women equality. So that's what I talked about, and it was really like we learned a lot. Yes, it was really good.
My name is Chisacha Priscilla Muyanja, and I'm a Ugandan. I study at Sharda University. I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree in commerce, and I major in finance and accounts. Well, about today, I'm so grateful because Dr. Meenakshi gave us the opportunity to come and talk about the 17 SDGs under the LA Global Foundation. We are so grateful because this is an opportunity for young students like us to come and express ourselves, to start the fight as well, to join the fight with other nations. And it is really great. It is great, and we are willing to stand with her, with the LA Global Foundation as well, because it's going to transform lives, it's going to change the nation, it's going to change the world as well. Yeah, that's
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ibrahim Shaib. I'm from Nigeria. I'm also a research scholar at Sharda University, 4th year. I'm very grateful to come to this event, this international conference organized by LA Global Foundation, which it enhance the economic development of the people from the rural area to the urban area. And also is very good initiative. I thank Dr. Meenakshi ma'am for giving us this opportunity to to participate in this program. And also I thank Sharda University for also giving us this opportunity to participate in this program also as well. I hope this program, it will not be the first and it will not be the last. Also we have knowledge of what is the global UN is doing regarding the SDGs in India and across the world also. So it's very good initiative. So we have taken away, which we also, when we go back to our country, we also partner with her in seeking for advice and also some initiative which is governed by her also. It's very good initiative. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm very grateful.
My name is Awood Khalid. I'm from South Sudan. I am really happy for this opportunity from LA Global Foundation. I am studying architecture in Sharda University. This has been such a great opportunity for me that I've learned a lot about women empowerment, global warming, and many more topics that has been presented today. I'm looking forward to see how I can implement this in real life. It's been such an eye-opening opportunity for me. I really thank the CEOs and the founders of this foundation, and yes, thank you.
My name is Khadija Mika. I'm from Nigeria, a student from Sharda University, PhD scholar. Actually, I'm so honored to be around here about this global foundation, and I have acquired a lot of knowledge which I can't wait to go back to my own Nigeria, to my own country, and like gather the information to, let me say, or maybe transfer the information that I've learned today to my country. And thank you so much, the Global Foundation, for the opportunity to be here and my school, Sharda University. And I can't wait to see the foundation in my country, in Nigeria. Thank you so much.
मैं मिसेस गीता नागराज LA ग्लोबल फाउंडेशन की मेंबर हूँ, ब्रांड एम्बेसडर। मीनाक्षी के साथ मैं बहुत दिन से जुड़ी हूँ, बहुत सालों से जुड़ी हूँ। एंड शी हैज़ गिवन मी अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी। और आज का जो प्रोग्राम है बहुत ही अच्छा ये था, एक लर्निंग प्रोसेस था मेरे लिए। मुझे बने सुबह से शाम हो गई, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा। हर एक क्षण जैसा लगा कि कुछ नया सीख रहे हैं। और जो मीनाक्षी कर रही है बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है, लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छा कर रही है। और हम लोग एक इंस्पिरेशन है लेडीज़ के लिए कि एक लेडी हो के हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, किसी से कम नहीं है हम लेडीज़। Thank you.
I'm Ernest Talu from Liberia, West Africa, a student of Sharda University. And I want to be grateful for the opportunity given by LA Global Foundation to be part of this event. This is a lifelong event, and to also be part of implementing the 17 goals of SDG. It's an honor to be part. Thank you so much.
My name is Kabiru Hammanjoda from Nigeria, research scholar, PhD research scholar in Sharda University, and my area of specialization is marketing, to be specific, service quality. First of all, I want to appreciate La Global Foundation for organizing this event, and I want to thank them for giving me the opportunity to attend. Surely the Global Foundation is a foundation to be appreciated, and they are transforming and impacting and taking the SDGs into grass level. So I want to thank them for organizing this, and I hope that they will continue with this kind of gesture. Thank you very much. Thank you, La Global Foundation, for giving me the opportunity to attend.
My name is Tamiano Banda from Zambia, and I would like to thank LA Global Foundation for granting me this opportunity to speak on the development goals. Particularly, I was talking about the 13th goal, which has to do with climate action. Thank you. I need to say more.
I'm Dr. Chetna Agarwal. I'm a consultant anesthesiologist from the Culture City, Vadodara, Gujarat, India. I'm secretary of my city state branch, and I'm also the coordinator of ISA Cultural Club, ISA Art and Literary Club, and ISA Vigil. So I'm the brand ambassador of Indian Resuscitation Council Federation, and based on that, I have presented CPR techniques, the basic CPR techniques known as compression only life support, that is COLS, which can save lives of many people with just your two hands. How can you save a life with just your two hands? And I'm very thankful to Dr. Meenakshi Sawhney ma'am for giving me this opportunity to represent this Global UN SDG Awards 2022 and give my presentation and meet so many people from all walks of life. It's been a huge event, and I'm really thankful. Thank you so much.
Myself, Professor Dr. Muhammad Afshar Alam. I am the Vice Chancellor of Jamia Hamdard. Today we have a program with La Global Foundation of Dr. Meenakshi Sawhney with Jamia Hamdard is one of the academic partner of today's Sustainable Development Goal Leadership Program. So today it was a wonderful interaction with all over the world students and the research scholars came here, and the inaugural function we have discussed all the 17 goals from zero hunger up to the 17th goal we discussed in detail, and students from different country and research scholars, experts from industry, corporate sectors, professors, and today's chief guest is the Director General of CCUREM, Professor Asim Ali Khan came, and we discussed in detail, and it was a wonderful interaction with the La Global Foundation, the founder Dr. Meenakshi, and we will do program in future also with practically we do workshops, conferences, and invite many international participations, international experts from UN, from embassies and all. So SDG is very close to my heart. I practically implementing SDG goal in my campus, and I do also give lecture to many NGOs, many state governments and central government. Thank you very much.
मैं प्रोफेसर आसिम अली ख़ान हूँ। मैं डायरेक्टर जनरल हूँ सेंट्रल काउंसिल फॉर रिसर्च इन यूनानी मेडिसिन में, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष में, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। आज का जो ये प्रोग्राम है ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट का हामिल है, और जो यूनाइटेड नेशन के सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स हैं उसमें मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की दूसरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एलए ग्लोबल फाउंडेशन, जामिया हमदर्द यूनिवर्सिटी जहाँ आज हम हैं, बहुत सारा काम कर रहे हैं। बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टास्क है, और मुझे लगता है कि जो मैं अभी कह रहा था अंदर इस मीटिंग के दौरान कि हमको ये मिशन के तौर पर लेना चाहिए, और जो हमारे देशवासी हैं, दुनिया में लोग हैं, हमको जहाँ पर अपने ऐसे लोगों को जिनके इन्फ्लुएंसेस हैं, जिनकी बातों को लोग सुनते हैं, उनको तो हम एम्बेसडर्स बनाना ही चाहिए। हमको जन जन तक जाना चाहिए और ये बातें उनको बताना चाहिए, ताकि ये लोग वो अपनी ज़िंदगियों में भी इसको इस्तेमाल कर सकें और प्रैक्टिस कर सकें, और हर आने वाले दूसरे साथी को, अपने पड़ोसियों को, अपने स्कूल में, अपने कॉलेज में, अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी में, अपने साथी देशवासियों को, सबको इस बारे में बताएं। तभी हम बहुत जल्द में इस चीज़ को हम हासिल कर सकते हैं, और हमारी सोसाइटी हेल्दी, एजुकेटेड, विदाउट पॉवर्टी, विदाउट हंगर, हम इसको डेवलप कर सकते हैं।
Well, I am N.M. Bhatia. I am an educationist. I have put in more than 40 years in the field of education, starting as teacher, principal, director. I have worked with some major groups also, and today I am here as guest of honor at the event. Well, sustainable development goals are very important. These are 17 in number. It's unfortunate a lot of people are not aware about these goals. I think even in schools, colleges and the general public should be made aware about these goals, and they should try to implement in their life also these goals, because they are very important as far as the world community is concerned. Well, education, drinking water, gender equality, and so many. All these issues are important social issues, and I think UNO has taken these as on priority basis. Let me thank Mrs. Meenakshi for inviting me at this occasion, and I think it was a great learning for all the participants, those who were there, and I'm sure when they go back, they'd like to implement what they've seen here, what they've learned, what they've discussed in their life also, and they'll spread it across the masses. Thank you so much.
That's all for now. For more updates, subscribe to Even News TV. Thank you.